Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me? It's a brand new weekly vlog. I know you guys are super excited to see everything that we're about to cook. It's actually Monday. It is the 23rd, and we just got back into town from a out of town wedding. Last week was full. I mean, super full, but it was really, really nice. So Saturday we went on a anniversary yacht cruise with our friends. Oh my goodness, had such a great time. Congratulations to the Carpenters on their 5-year wedding anniversary. We had such a great time with one another. The food was good. The company was even better. It was a lot of fun. And then Sunday, we ended up heading out of town to a wedding for one of our very, very favorite couples, and that's the Stokes, the newlywed Stokes. So congratulations again to Dorian and Michaela on their wedding, on their nuptials. Everything was just absolutely beautiful. They looked great, of course, but just the food, the desserts, like everything was just so nice. The decor, the gowns, everything was just absolutely beautiful. So we enjoyed ourselves a lot. So today is Monday. We are just getting back into town and we're jumping right back into the swing of things. I'm gonna go ahead and make some spaghetti. So that's gonna be one of the things that we're gonna have for the week. And then I also have some beef sausage in the refrigerator that's just kind of defrosting. So I can actually make that with maybe some grits or something like that to kind of, facilitate a secondary meal for the week. But we'll start on the spaghetti since that's the one that I really need to actually do something, as far as the meat and, prepare a little bit more. The sausage is easy. I can just toss it in. And then the grits, you can pretty much make quick grits, all day, every day. So that's fine. But I'm going to be using this, I think this is sweet sausage. Yeah, sweet Italian sausage. I'm going to open up these and pop those into a nice hot pan. And then I also have some 80-20 ground beef. They're kind of in like burger patties, but I'm going to use 2 of those patties along with the sausage and go ahead and make that up, and that'll be my base for my sauce. So we grabbed some tomato and basil pasta sauce from the store. So I have 2 jars of that. I have some ricotta cheese in the refrigerator as well. So I can go ahead and pull that out and, kind of thicken up the sauce and make it really good. And then I have some rigatoni noodles here. So this is what we're going to be using for our pasta today. So let me go ahead and get this meat and everything started and you guys get a chance to watch. But until then, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. All right, so today is Tuesday. It is the 24th of September, and I went ahead and showed you guys how I made a little salad from my little salad kit there. It's just a little Caesar salad. I came in a little kit, so that was perfect. I'm so hungry and so ready to chow down. And then I have leftover spaghetti that I just heated up. You can kind of see a little bit of the heat, some of these little heat waves coming off of there. But yeah, made a nice big pot of spaghetti yesterday when we came in from our out-of-town trips. Smells good, tastes delicious. This is what I had yesterday when I broke my fast. So today I'm just adding on a salad to it. And then I also made little garlic bread as well. And this is, when I say made, I mean, I basically just opened up the package and put it in the oven. I did not have time to sit here and make a whole new thing of garlic bread. It's 4:41. We had to actually stop at the store on our way here. So yeah, I was just ready to get in here and make something really quick and eat because I am super hungry. So I have my coffee, my little protein, well, I can't even say protein coffee because I didn't add any protein or anything to it, but I did add collagen, which does have protein to it. And then of course my water cup for the week. I didn't get a chance to show you guys. I have Lavender here this week. I actually dropped her outside and kind of scuffed her up a little bit, but not too bad. I mean, damage isn't too crazy. So yeah. She still works and that's perfect for me. So I'm about to go ahead and chat on my delicious food here, and I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. You can say hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today is Thursday. One more day. Oh, I am so exhausted, guys. So exhausted. But right now it is 4:18. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Thursday, the 26th of September. We had leftovers yesterday. Actually, we had spaghetti Monday when we came home when I made it, Tuesday and Wednesday. So I think I'm a little spaghettied out right now. And I took out some beef sausage and roasted that up. I made some savory grits and I just added in, like, you know, the norm. Onion powder, garlic powder. I think I put in a couple little sprinkles of Mrs. Dash, and I think some chicken seasoning. I added in a little bit of half and half just to kind of make the grits a little bit creamier, and a little bit of butter, of course. I just added a little water here and there as I needed it. And yeah, they came out really, really good. We sprinkled on some Parmesan cheese on top of that to really give it an extra bite. But for the most part, it's just the beef sausage has enough salt in it, so that'll definitely keep it, keep everything, all together, and it's gonna be really good. And then I also made a bag, and by made, I mean I microwaved. Just a bag of frozen vegetables. So mixed vegetables, and then I also did one of all just cut green beans. So lots of, I made sure I put a good amount on that bowl as well so I can really get in my greens and everything like that. But yeah, not only does it smell delicious, but my husband is chowing down. So I know it tastes delicious too. But yeah, that's what I have. I have my coffee, you guys already know, with my scoop of collagen peptides. And then of course I always use my 0 sugar or sugar-free French vanilla creamer. My water cup for the week, of course, is little lavender here. I did really good on my water today. I actually refilled it at work. So that lets me know that I'm doing good on my water consumption and I need to just keep it up. Today was so busy. This week has just been busy, even though it seems to kind of fly by. But tomorrow is Friday, thank goodness. And I'm just ready for a break, honestly. So ready for a break. But Saturday we get to go down and we're gonna spend the day with Dad. He seems to be doing a lot better, so that's really helping me out right now. You know, as far as like, you know, the mental anguish that sometimes we hold on to when our loved ones are going through it. But he has requested, this is how you know he's feeling better, a Wendy's hamburger and a vanilla frosty. So on Saturday when we go down there, he will be receiving his Wendy's hamburger and his vanilla frosty. So I will make sure that that's what Dad wants. That's what Dad gets. That's how it works. Other than that, I think we're good to go. I don't have necessarily any plans or anything else like that this weekend. So I should be, it's mainly just focusing on Dad on Saturday, and then Sunday is prepping food and just kind of getting everything ready for the next week. I think that should be it, but I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. More than likely, it's probably going to be the same leftovers tomorrow. I'm not going to lie. We have plenty of food in here. It'll probably be leftovers, but either way, I'll be seeing you guys. So you guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, it's happy Friday. We made it. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's Friday. I'm excited. Today is the 27th. It is 4:44. I ran by the store on our way home just to kind of grab, you know, I'll take an orange one, hun. That's fine. Thank you. Just to grab some fruit because I wanted to kind of make like a little bit of a yogurt kind of fruit bowl. None of their berries looked good at all, and just a lot of, you know, I got some fruit for juicing, but I didn't necessarily grab, you know, a lot for, you know, how you would normally make a bowl or something like that. Like, you know, blueberries or strawberries. Like a lot of their stuff just looked really old and bad. So I did grab, I have 2 gala apples that I'm going to cut up, and I will make a yogurt bowl for a dessert. Just so that I can add in, you know, my little roasted nuts and, you know, my little coconut sprinkles and some chia seeds and stuff like that, just to, you know, kind of take the edge off, especially when you want something sweet right after a savory meal. So speaking of a savory meal, I have the basically leftovers. So leftover beef sausage, leftover steamed veggies, mixed veggies. Today, instead of me using the grits, I actually just made a pack of, you know, Oriental ramen noodles. That way I can just, you know, get the, you know, that little Asian flavor that I'm really craving right now. But I'm eating and using up what we already prepared for the week. So I have a little bit of sausage left over that I'm gonna take to Dad's house tomorrow. That way he can have that for breakfast along with like some toast and a fried egg. And I think that'll be perfect. But yeah, basically we use that up. And then this weekend we'll probably make something on Sunday, you know, for the week. And I think we're gonna probably do like a chicken stir fry or something like that, because that's gonna be really good. But yeah, so I made hubby's. He has the leftover grits, but mine just has a pack of ramen in it. So I have a little bit of, you know, I won't say juice, like, you know, some of the soup, you know, like the actual broth in here. So I'm definitely excited to have that. I have my coffee. You guys already know. Sugar-free French vanilla creamer and a scoop of collagen peptides. And then hubby grabbed me a soda from the fridge. This one is the Sun-Kissed Orange 0 Sugar. So that is what I will be having today. When I make my little bowl, I'll show you guys, you know, just how I prepared it, how I put it together, and the things that I added in. But I think that should pretty much be it. It's about 15 minutes to 5. I'm ready to chow down, and the work week is over. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. A means to an end, y'all. A means to an end. So I will see you all here. I'll show you probably what we eat tomorrow. More than likely, it's probably something fast because that's what Dad asked for. But Sunday, I'll be back to kind of show you guys what we prepped for the week. But other than that, you guys take care and enjoy your weekend. Pizza. And Diet Pepsi. Looks good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, it is Sunday. It is actually the 29th of September, and I have some food over here that the hubby has prepared. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys a little bit of that. And yeah, and basically I'm just gonna make me up a plate because I am hungry. Right now it is 3:33 in the afternoon, so let me go ahead and show you guys what we have to dine on. All right, starting off with chicken. You guys already know this is a staple, a weekly staple for us. So hubby has made some chicken. There's gonna be a couple that he's probably gonna take to work, but then the most of it's gonna kind of go into our little stir fry. So basically this is 2 bags of little stir fry veggies that we got from the grocery store. So veggies and sauce, and they both say saute on them. One has a ginger garlic sauce and the other one has a teriyaki sauce, but even still, it basically, you just kind of cook up everything here and it looks great. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, kale, carrots, pea pods with your little sauce. So that's perfect. So basically it just looks really pretty. I think the purple really makes it for sure. But yeah, he just went ahead and sauteed that up. All the sauce is pretty much at the bottom. And then he made himself a pot of rice, which is perfect because he usually likes his chicken and rice and all that type of stuff, but it goes perfectly with our little stir fry veggies. So I'm gonna make me a plate with a chicken breast, some of these veggies, and then a little bit of that rice to go along with it. And as far as what we're gonna have for the rest of the week, I have no idea because this is definitely not gonna last. But that's okay. We'll, just see what we have in the fridge or in the freezer and just kind of pull out whatever we need. But for today, this is what was created. So that's what we shall have. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for right now. I have my Diet Coke that I pulled to the side and I went ahead and made my coffee. You guys already know the sugar-free French vanilla creamer along with the collagen peptides. I always do a nice hearty scoop of that in there as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make me a plate because I am hungry and ready to chow down. So I will thank you guys so much for tuning in to this vlog, this weekly vlog. I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel for a brand new weekly vlog. You guys take care. Bye.